Alright, so we're going to layer onto a jelly plate. First I'm going to do the line work. I'm using heavy body paints because the fluid didn't work as well for this. You couldn't see the lines. So I am adding the line work with some black paint. And I'm paying attention to the tension lines, like where lines meet, I was adding a little extra tension to give it a little visual interest. So after you finish with these black lines, you're going to let them dry before you add the next layer. Now you're going to choose your colors that you want to see first, and here I went with the darker green first, and I layered it at the top and the bottom of the leaf to add a little depth to it. You don't have to do this, I just wanted to see how it would work. And so when I do this, I'm going to let it kind of dry before I add the next layer. I didn't make it dry the whole way, but kind of dry. And then I'm going to add here, I'm adding some purple to those places. And I keep flipping the gel plate over just to see how it looks on the other side. You have to do it very carefully though. So I'm just adding that purple. And then next I'm going to add some turquoise to the center of the leaves. And I'm just going to kind of dot it in there. I'm mixing it with the lime green. At some point I do that too. So I have the turquoise, and then I have a place where I've mixed the turquoise and the lime green. And then I'm going to go over everything with that lime green. All of the leaf, not the whole plate, sorry. Just the leaf. You're going to cover that whole leaf with that solid color, the one that you want to be the most prominent color. You're going to lay down there. After you've laid down your last color to your subject matter here, the last color that you're using for the subject matter, you're going to let that dry all the way. Then you're going to add the last color. And while this is wet, you're going to lay it out. And while it's wet, you're going to place your paper on top of it that you're going to be using, and then set it to the side. And then for me, I'm finishing this second project here too. And so I covered it with the paint, and I added a little orange just to see what it looked like. And so I'm adding that on this, but I'm trying to work very quickly and laying out that paint pretty evenly. And then I'm going to lay the paper on it, and then I'm going to put some books on it and let it set overnight. And in the morning, you take the books off, and now you're going to kind of peel it back to reveal your image. And voila, you are done. I hope you enjoyed this.